That's a big one. Go. Probably 23. 23, 24-ish. Nice starter. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I got bad news and I got some good news. Bad news is the boat is out of commission here for a couple weeks. We lost reverse in the Yamaha, and gonna need to get that fixed here soon. So that's gonna be heading to the shop here probably in a couple weeks, because pretty backed up, probably 50 or so boats ahead of me. But the good news is you can still catch walleye from shore. So hey, that's what we're doing this afternoon. So tag along. Let's go see if we can put some walleye on the board today. Open water season. Get that right there. But yeah, looking forward to putting some walleye on the board and seeing what's happening. These fish should be moving up to spawn, and yeah, it should be a good evening. So heading to the river right now. So we'll see you soon. That's a big one. Go. Well, guys, didn't catch it on film, but T-bone that right there. Nice starter for sure. The walleye are here. It's only going to get better as the sun goes down, hopefully.
Opening season, opening water season, open water season.
Jeepers, come on. I'm like, steal it. Come on, buddy. Ah, come on. Oh my goodness. Holy cow. Rip and drag. Rip and drag. We don't fight this hard. Come on, buddy. Usually does not take this much to get rainbow in. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Oh. Oh, come on. No. No. Got that one. Feels like when you catch one, feels like you're just gonna catch a bunch. Oh, here's one. That was just hovering right there. I think it's a walleye, guys. Oh, it came off. It came off. Dang it. Dang it. Oh. Came off. Thought I had a good hook set on that, guys, but apparently I did not. There's no one. Oh no, I lost it. Alright, let's turn it on, guys. It is turning on. Get a little bit here. And basically back-to-back hits. Hooked one. Lost it, and then had another hit. Seemed like I'm gonna get into him, and now as it goes, they're nowhere to be found. Again, first time. It's like another rainbow. But you never know, right? Treat it like it's a big walleye. It's a hooked up. I feel like, ooh, I don't know. Oh, trout. It's dogging. Oh, it's a nice walleye, guys. It's a nice walleye. It's a nice walleye. It's a nice walleye. Oh, come on. It's a nice walleye. I need the pliers. It's a nice walleye. Alright guys, just stuck a really nice one right there. That's probably 23, 24-ish, but definitely a nice fish. Try to get a Alright, I think we've got this on the head cam, but